Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about I implemented any two of the following sorting algorithm. Let's see the selection sort. And hash include isostream using namespace std. You avoid swapping into a, into a and into b. Into temp, into a temp is equal to a is equal to b is equal to temp. Void display into array side for int I is equal to 0, I greater than size comma I plus plus. Cout greater than array I greater than cout greater than n1. Void in selection sort. Int star array comma int size. Int I comma j comma I min. For I is equal to 0, I greater than size minus 1. I plus plus 1 minimum is equal to I. For j is equal to I plus 1, j greater than size I, j less than size j plus plus. If array j less than array 1 I min is equal to j. Swap array I comma array I min. And int main int n cout less than, enter the number of elements c in less greater than n. Int array n cout less than, enter elements less than end 1. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. C in greater than I. Cout less than array before sorting. Display array n, array comma n. Selection sort a comma array comma n. Cout after array after sorting. Display array comma n. And let's run the program. Number of elements 3. Enter elements 2, 3, 7. Array before sorting 2 comma 2, 3, 7. Array after sorting 2, 3, 7. And let's see the bubble sort. Hash include isostream using namespace std. Void swapping int comma a int a and and b. Int temp is equal to a is equal to b is equal to temp. Void display int array int size. For int I is equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus. Cout less than array I less than, cout less than and 1. Void bubble sort int array comma int size. For int I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to size minus 2, I plus plus. Int swaps is equal to 0. Swaps is equal to 0. Int swaps is equal to 0. For int int j is equal to 0, j less than is equal to size minus I minus 2, j plus plus. If array j plus 1 less than array j, swapping array j plus 1. Swaps is equal to 1. If swaps break, int I is equal to int main int n cout, enter the number of elements c in greater than n. C int array n cout less than, enter elements less than and 1. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. C in less greater than array 1. Cout less than array before sorting. Display array n. Bubble sort array comma n. Cout after array after sorting. Display array comma n. And let's run the program. Enter the elements 3 and elements 1, 7, 9. Enter array before sorting 1, 7, 9. Array after sorting 1, 7, 9. Thank you guys by watching my video.